Hello, I am Amy from SeedPod Cyber, and welcome to Cyber Insurance, a primer. SeedPod Cyber is the first cyber insurance platform that leverages the partnership between cybersecurity solution providers and businesses to assess, mitigate, and transfer risks so all can safely compete and thrive in this digital world. Today, we will discuss the importance of cyber insurance and provide valuable insights into policy components, factors to consider when selecting coverage, and what carriers expect from businesses. Let's face it, given the reliance we have on systems and technology to build our products, manage our financials, maintain and interact with clients and prospects, and even now manage a geographically disparate workforce, we are all digital businesses. And every digital business carries with it cyber risks. Risks that we can and should mitigate, but also risks that we should insure against. But for many, cyber insurance and cybersecurity are topics filled with acronyms and jargon that make your head spin. Add to that the misconception that bad guys only hack larger companies. Many small and medium businesses often choose to not purchase cyber insurance. Or worse, they choose coverage that doesn't fit their needs. Our primer on cyber insurance is meant to help you understand what cyber insurance is, what carriers want to see from you, and how you can best position yourself to be a knowledgeable buyer of this important coverage. Cyber insurance is designed to protect organizations in the event of a cyber attack. It covers the costs associated with liability claims, restoring systems to their pre-attack state, protecting against e-fraud, and recouping lost income due to downtime. This type of insurance is essential for businesses operating in today's digital world. A cyber insurance policy typically has two main categories: third-party and first-party coverage. Third-party coverage includes liability protection for data breaches, media and content issues, and regulatory fines. First-party coverage covers costs associated with breach notification, systems restoration, ransomware, cybercrime, business income, and more. It's important to note that most cyber insurance claims involve first-party costs than third-party costs. When selecting cyber insurance limits or how much coverage you should buy, several factors need to be considered: the type and amount of data your organization handles, your industry and company size, your tolerance for downtime, and the various policy terms such as deductibles, waiting periods, sublimits, and coinsurance. For most small firms, we recommend a minimum of $1 million in limits. Carriers take multiple factors into account when assessing your organization for coverage, including the size, industry, and quality of your firm, loss history, and, increasingly, the cybersecurity controls you have in your system's environment to mitigate potential threats. In fact, security controls which were once nice to have are now table stakes when it comes to cyber insurance. Multi-factor authentication, patching, email filtering, firewalls, antivirus, and endpoint detection and response help keep the bad guys out. Training helps mitigate the largest threat, the human threat, and backups, and an incident response plan help get you up and running if you are subject to an attack. And be sure that you are truthful when completing the application. Be specific with what you have and don't have with regards to security controls. It's better to have the carrier know upfront rather than having them possibly deny a claim when they find out afterwards. At the end of the day, you are a business professional. You take risks, mitigate those you can, and insure those you can't. Cyber risk is no different. Don't hesitate to work with professionals who know both cybersecurity and cyber insurance. We hope this presentation has given you valuable insights into the world of cyber insurance and its importance in today's digital landscape. If you have any questions or would like further information, please feel free to reach out to us at info@seedpodcyber.com.